Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. I do a lot of body sculpting, body contouring in addition to facial surgery, and today we're working on a somewhat unusual case where a patient has a buffalo hump on her back that she despises. First question is, what is it? Is it fat? Is it a tumor? Is it her spine? And we can feel here, it's definitely not her spine. Her spine is down deep, it's squishy, benign, it's symmetrical. This is going to be subcutaneous fat. You can see this is quite significant back there, about the size of a softball almost, or 3/4 of it on one's back. It really bulges out. It requires a lot of energy. I'm going to use a power-assisted liposuction system to do it. I'm going to make a couple little incisions down low to allow this to drain nicely. I think she's going to tolerate it well, and I can't wait to get started. This is Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.